Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. I really can't decide which of these three Jordan skinny syrups is my favorite. I love caramel, and to have three different caramel flavors is so fun. I have loved adding these syrups to my coffee bar. The three caramel flavors are vanilla caramel cream, caramel pecan, and salted caramel. It's so simple to add them to my hot coffee, and I control the sweetness depending on how much I add. I also like to add it to my iced coffee, and I even use them to sweeten my French toast egg mixture, and I put it in my oatmeal too. I love that with this Jordan Skinny caramel syrup collection, I don't have to choose which of the three I like best. I can use them all, and I love adding them to so many things, my coffees, my oatmeal, my French toast. They have so many uses and they are delicious. And that's my point of view.